Further, if you analyze, according to a report, 27th August 2014, the Hindu newspaper, now look at what the report says. It says, in 1982, Americans, they launched the space shuttle by the name Columbia. President Reagan, Ronald Reagan, in his address on the launch of Columbia space shuttle, he says, the space shuttle Columbia is an aspiring factor of those who are inspired by science. And the freedom fighters of Afghanistan are the greatest aspiration for human freedom. This is what Ronald Reagan says. He says, freedom fighters of Afghanistan. What was the word he used? In his speech, he said, Afghan Mujahideen. He said, Afghan Mujahideen are the greatest aspiration for human freedom. And he says, I declare the launch of Columbia, the space shuttle, dedicated to the Afghan Mujahideen for their freedom struggle on behalf of all the American population.
In 1982, Ronald Reagan dedicated the space shuttle Columbia to the resistance fighters in Afghanistan.
Just as the Columbia, we think, represents man's finest aspirations in the field of science and technology, so too does the struggle of the Afghan people represent man's highest aspirations for freedom. I am dedicating on behalf of the American people the March 22nd launch of the Columbia to the people of Afghanistan.
I say, what? You are launching a space shuttle in the name of Mujahideen, and today it is jihadi terrorism now. Then in 1985, the same newspaper, the Hindu, 27th August 2014, it reports, 1985, President Reagan, he hosts a ceremony in honor of Afghan Mujahideen in the White House, and in the address he says, these Afghan Mujahideen are equivalent to the moral equivalent of the founding fathers of America. What happened overnight then? They are equal to the freedom fighters of America. These people are the greatest aspiration to human freedom in the world, and overnight terrorism starts from there now.